Hello everyone, this time I'm going to show you the use functionalities of Sheet Journal on mybizmate.io. So ano bang gamit ni Journal Sheets? Okay, this time dito po ginagamit po natin ito for adjusting entries kung meron po tayong kailangang i-adjust, beginning balances kung gusto po nating i-transact yung beginning balances, and any other adjustment that you want to do, pwede po natin gawin ito sa journal. Ito po ay free, lahat po ng account nandito, lahat po ng pwede nating i-entry dito puwedeng-puwede po. So, yes. For example po ay, maglalagay po tayo ng, beginning balance po ng ating AR. So, yes. So, since beginning 'yan, i-date po natin 'yan ng 01/01/2026. Okay. So, lagay po natin what these records. So, lagay lang po natin dito beginning AR balance. Beginning AR balance. So, type natin yan kung adjusting, opening, closing, reclass, or general. So, since ito po ay beginning, so opening lang po natin yan. And then, after that, incomplete pa siya, of course. Kailangan natin ng debit and credit amount or transactions. So yes, so since AR po yan, ang gagawin po natin, lalagay po natin yung accounts receivable po natin dito, accounts receivable trade, okay? And then ang credit po natin, for example, is cash. At nasobra ng kating cash, and then kailangan natin ilagay sa accounts receivable. So, ayan. So, may party din po tayo dito. Pwede po tayong maglagay ng subsidiary. So, subsidiaries from our customers. Pwedeng-pwede po. So, since this is a opening balance, so mag-various na lang po muna tayo. And then, debit natin is 150,000, 150,000. Then credit 150,000. So, that's it. Tapos, sabi niya naka-X range daw siya kasi ang ating working period is July pero ang tinatransact po natin is January. So, yes, always po lahat po ng sheets na to, if we transact po beyond or outside the working period, maggaganito po siya. And pag ganyan po, hindi po yan magpo-post. Pero try po natin. Post natin yan. Pero mag-warning po dito na this zero is dated outside the working range. So, piliin mo yan kung cancel, kung mali talaga na hindi pala, iba pala yung date, edit, kung gusto mong i-edit na lang yung date, and change working range para hindi ka na mag-edit, si system na bahala mag-change, mag-post ka na. So, change na lang natin. So, pumunta na siya ng January, and then post lang natin, and yes, na-post na siya. So, that's just how we do it. So, lahat po ng, kung gusto po natin ng adjustment, ng closing balances, okay? So, pag hindi tugma dun sa book po natin, dito po natin pwedeng i-entry or i-transact po yung mga yun. So, just simple, ganyan lang siya gawin para sa journal natin.